Okay, so our Cartesian axis is what we call our diagram or our plane that we sketch over for the real number system. Our complex numbers system is sketched over what we call an Argand plane. Okay, and I guess the significant difference is on our Argand plane, our real numbers are on the horizontal axis, our imaginary numbers are on the vertical axis. Okay, so 2 plus 2i is 2 real, 2 imaginary. So the 0.22. And then obviously we just sketch everything the way in which you expect. 3i is 0 plus 3i, so 1, 2, 3, so we'll call that A. Negative 2 is just at negative 2, 0. 1 minus I, 1 minus I. Minus 1 plus 3, minus 1 plus 3i, etc. Yeah? The negative of 1 plus 2i is just minus 1 minus 2, isn't it? So minus 1 minus 2. So we just plot as you would expect to be plotting on our Cartesian plane. I guess just a nice little thing to note, if we multiply by I, any complex number by I, it's the equivalent of rotating our point 90 degrees in an anti-clockwise direction. I think that's most easily seen if we just have a look at, let's have a look at all these numbers here. Let's evaluate them first. So obviously 1 minus I is 1 minus I. If I multiply by I, that's the same as I minus I squared, which is equal to minus or plus 1 plus I. If I multiply by I squared, that's the same as negative 1, so that's the same as minus 1 plus I. And I cubed is I squared I, which is like multiplying by minus I. So we get minus I plus I squared, which is 1 minus I. Does that look right? So if we plot these points, 1 minus I. Now the scale's a bit tight, isn't it? Since everything's a 1, let's just change our scalar fraction to be all 1s, boys. Because that way when I go to 1 minus I, I'm down there. Yeah? Which is 1 minus 1. If I go to B, I go to 1 plus I, which is up there. So if, we'll just do it, A, B, minus 1 plus I, minus 1 plus I, C, minus 1 minus I at D. So what we're talking about, that 90 degree rotation, if I do a line to each of those points, we can sort of see that each subsequent point has just been rotated 90 degrees around. Okay, so that's just a nice little geometric observation to make. Okay.